Connect the 3 inverter battery inputs in parallel using suitable wires. The red wire is connected to the positive electrode, and the black wire is connected to the negative electrode. This is the diagram of inverter parallel wiring. After connecting the inverter connection line, connect the battery in parallel. The inverter then plugs into the positive and negative terminals of one set of batteries. This is a diagram of the battery and inverter connection. After the battery connection is complete, it can be connected to the mains. The red cable connects to the live port and the black cable connects to the null port. Finally, the AC outlet. The red cable is connected to the live wire port, and the black cable is connected to the zero wire port. Parallel communication line. Connect the first inverter to the right VGA port, and then connect to the left port of the second inverter. Then use another VGA cable to connect the right interface of the second inverter to the left interface of the third inverter. Finally, we use a VGA to connect the right interface of the third inverter to the left interface of the first inverter. Here is VGA communication cable diagram. The first inverter is connected to the left jack and then to the right jack of the second inverter. Then use another wire to connect the left jack of the second inverter to the right jack of the third inverter. Finally, use a wire to connect the left socket of the third inverter to the right socket of the first inverter. This is the equalizing line access diagram. Next is a device setup demonstration. Turn on the lithium battery output switch first. Then turn on the first inverter to debug. Long press enter to enter the setting mode. Shut down the inverter after entering the setting mode. Press this button to select pages. When you reach the fourth page, press enter to enter the mode selection screen. Continue to press page turn and switch to PRL mode. Then press enter to save. Press ESC to return to the main screen. The second and third machines operate as before and switch the operation mode of the equipment to PRL mode. Finally, we connect the AC outlet to the load circuit. Then turn on the inverters in turn. In the power on sequence, HS is displayed as the host on the first device. The second and third devices show SL as slave. On load display. Now we plug the mains into the device. Turn on the main switch. The icon information on the screen is: the mains is plugged in, the battery is being charged, and the device is powering the load. Solar energy access. After the solar interface is connected, the PV icon lights up. This indicates that the photovoltaic has been connected and is charging the battery.